not seen that much.
Where is it?
Romania.
Where? Oh yeah. You think they are not here? No, they're
I don't see
everywhere.
it much here.
Oh yeah. But it's normal. It's part of the. What will you do in Africa when most of the mothers in Africa, you know that they.
Should we walk there? Oh no, that's stairs.
No, they give their baby milk in the open. And there's no taboo about it. Which country is that? No, it has almost like a bear there or something. No, I was wondering what's team. Now, which team are you supporting?
From Brazil.
Oh, Brazil. Oh, I thought it was Cape Verde.
Cape Verde?
Is it FBI triggers? Something. Am I? Yeah.
Oh, I'm not holding my sunglasses. Right?
You want some?
I have to be in my backpack. I forgot to change my...
Change them.
Change the glasses. Sorry, it's taking a long time. Oh, it's just pregnant lady. And then on that dangerous thing, we all have our own levels of fear. She has a different level of fear for me. I would not be on a scooter when I was that pregnant. So.
Wow. Now the places stay the same though. You know, we can cut through to the magnificent Mars.
Would you like to do that?
No, not with this weather. Because it's...
Nobody's there.
No.
Or at least a lot less of it.
Am I missing something? Do I have anything? I have
Did
before.
you take your voice recording?
Yeah.
There's nothing left on the table. Yeah, it's always good to check twice.
No, I was actually glad to remember that because last time we came without any always recording the sound separately is a benefit because you can overlay it on that.
But then you have to sync it, which is also difficult, huh?
Yes and no.
Maar kun je draaien, al diezelfde winkeltjes hier overal hetzelfde. Ik denk dat er een stukje dat stuk op geen zijn. Dezelfde
We can always assign sounds to other people. Thai cuisine and sushi restaurant.
I've always been somewhat intrigued by this Thai restaurant, but it's never been.
If you book without any pension, the hotel.
What you meant by pension, because you mentioned pension before, and I thought the pension was like when you retire, but you meant like a half board or a full board.
Yeah. But that's what the meaning of a pension is.
They call it half board in English, not
It's-
pension.
It's not just half board. It's half board pension. That people just say half board. Half board doesn't mean anything. It's half of what? Of the board. Or which board? Yes. You need to add something. Oh, half board stay, half board whatever. But yes, the shorter version in the vernacular, I guess, has become half board. Those who are used to, if you tell someone who has never been on holiday and book half board, they'll say, what? Half board? I had also, yeah, one another day.
This is a Sir Anthony. Really beautiful.
Yeah, like this. This is kind of nice. still.
Next sound is stand still.
It's a nice.
Outside there.
Yeah, it's nice.
It doesn't know what it's seeing, so it cannot.
Is it in automatic?
Yeah.
If it doesn't get, put it into AV. Each time you have that problem, put it in AV and take the picture.
So I'm getting sometimes very sharp pains there, like on that side of my foot.
Huh?
It's a strange location, like here. Occasionally, like,
You have to. It may just be an inflammation. You need to.
it's strange. I started feeling it yesterday, and I had it again in the restaurant. Even though I started to stretch my
You may have walked
foot or
dislocated